Hello everyone! Today we'll be talking through how to cancel or change a current Loyalty Box subscription. First, you will log into your Hub account from redaspenlove.com. You can find this on the top right-hand corner of the site. Select the three lines on the upper left-hand page and scroll down until you see Manage Loyalty Box and give it a click. You will see your current subscription and have the ability to cancel or change it here. If you would like to cancel your Loyalty Box, simply select this button and it will be canceled. If you would like to change your contents, the units, or the date, select Change. Today, I would like to change what I have coming in my box. Currently, I have one Dash Loyalty Box and one Dash and Lash Loyalty Box. Because I love the Dashes every month, I'm going to add another Dash Loyalty Box. I'll click Edit Order and select the box I would like to add. Add it to your cart and you're good to go. In the shopping cart view, you scroll over to see quantity and price. If you would like to remove anything from your box, you can select the X button to remove it. Once your box is all set, agree to terms and conditions and click Proceed to Checkout. If you would like to change the date that your Loyalty Box ships, click Edit to change the ship date here. This will bring up a calendar and instructions on how to set your date based on when you would like your Loyalty Box to arrive. We recommend setting your box to arrive on the first of every month so that you are one of the first to get the new box as soon as it comes out. After picking your desired date, you can review your order and click Save Changes when complete. Voila! Your Loyalty Box is good to go. Thanks for watching!